going on, family? Hope everything's going good. Today, we're going to be looking at the price action for today. You see that GU at 1 a.m. immediately broke out type 1. They didn't do well. This is the first leg. Okay, 1 hour work, second leg right here. So we have an offsetted M. Me personally, I'm not used to these kind of formations. I'm used to this formation. I'm used to market makers consolidating, breaking up, then coming down and putting something even for me to work with. This kind of makes me want to chase the trade, but nevertheless, hey, we should be buying, right? So at 3 a.m., we noticed that price is immediately coming down to retest the intraday or the initial low of the day for the Asian range, and they put a beautiful W formation. Now this is a formation I love to see, and what was lovely about the setup that we have confirmation that this was a order block that got retested, okay, and that low held true. That's cool, that's fine. Let's look at the higher time frame again, and like I said, we should be buying. I want to see buys come out of this zone, so that is lovely for me. I like to see that. But like I said, you want to be airy. Yes, you can sell that, but you at the bottom of the bucket. So US 30, what US 30 do? US 30 did something that's not really. I don't know what that is. I just see swing highs and swing lows on a smaller scale, but I don't see anything that I like. I look on a higher time frame. Okay, maybe I could say this is the beginning of level 1. Be going in for the buy. All right, that's fine, but I don't see any patterns like GU presented for us. I don't see anything like that. Same thing with US oil. US oil immediately went in for a sell-off at 3 a.m. to 3:30, and you have your order block over here, your bearish order block. So yes, you can sell that. Okay, I'm looking at the Asian range. I could tell that's less than 50 pips. That's fine. That is about 57 pips. That's fine. I can work with that. But am I comfortable to sell this area? Yes, I'm comfortable to sell this area. We looking for stop hunt highs on the 4-hour time frame, but if you see that, you notice these two rands of the support and resistance. This is the take profit area for smart money, and they present something like this. I can sell that. I'm comfortable with that, and I have that resistance. I'm comfortable with that. German 30, same scenario with German 30. Looks more beautiful with German 30. This fast price action was very fast because we don't even have well, this is the German 30. So on an indice, sometimes the shadow boxes don't paint, and sometimes they do, as you can see right there. But the price action was so fast that it literally took them probably like 5 minutes or 10 minutes for them to work this area. Okay, so this was a type 1. You can say it's a type 2, but it is a type 1. Whenever they do break the initial high, it's going to be a type 1, but it's very shallow. Okay, they just peeked up there and did what they had to do, and that setup gave out how many pips? That setup gave out 123 pips on the German 30. 123 pips. That's like trading gold, where the small movements you're making big money. Okay, so the Francis 40, I like the Francis 40. This setup was very clean, very nice. Why would you want to sell this at 1 a.m.? Well, at 3 a.m. This is our shadow box for some reason. I don't know why it's like that, but we have this. We see price action rejecting the initial highs and then put that second leg structure in like that. This is a type 22 setup. Why this is a type 22 setup? Because we have a consolidation. Well, let me just count my levels from yesterday. The intraday levels. We see that we have RW, V, M. Market makers needed more contracts. M. Market makers needed more contracts. They didn't like the order flow that they have bracketed amongst themselves, so they did a type 22. Type 22 is when they have an M structure failed to get the contracts that they needed, and they spent a whole nother session in London get that order full contracts for them. Okay, so that was very nice. And then we are greeted with resistance with Murray Math Lines +2 means it's extremely overbought, so we should be selling, and that is fine. But there's no buts with that. Okay, so look with SPX, same thing with SPX happened with US30. I'm not really feeling that setup. I need some clear price action. I want something that I can resonate to. Same thing with NASDAQ. The people that controls NASDAQ, they do a beautiful job. I have to give it to them because they have my wrinkles to where they don't really show any good setups. This right here, this is my favorite setup. I like seeing that. I like seeing stuff like that. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to want to see for entries or a setup. I want to see NASDAQ put another M formation since we're at last week's high. I want to see Francis 40 retest this, or if not, like I said, all we have to do is just wait for level 1, aka straightaway trade, or ID 50 move, then it'll go to level 1 to get, for me to get into this trade. Okay, so I'm not stressing, I'm not trying to bum rush in the market. If I did, trade it today, my key setups would have been Francis 40 and GU. Not to go in for the sell GU, but for that buy. These areas right here, this is letting me know this is weak resistance. This is weak resistance. So I know tomorrow we should be going in all through this. This is strong resistance. Strong support down here. The market took a lot of time down here to set up these buy formations. Okay, so this is, that's it. I don't really have nothing else to talk about for today. I'll see you tomorrow and follow through the competition for. Let me see. What company is that? The competition for the funded trader starting on Wednesday. Okay, starting on Wednesday. So, and for Osprey FX, look them up and get registered. It starts on Wednesday. It's not 15 days remaining. They just put that there, but you have until 2 days, till Wednesday night, to sign up. With them, they're going to give you a $2,500 account, and these are the rules. Okay. With the funded trader, they're going to give you a $100,000 account to trade on Wednesday, and it's the same amount of rules for them. Let me just log in real quick. Okay, and let's see the rules for that.
Are off.
And competitions rules: 5%, 10%, max trailer drawdown, and that's that. Okay. So I just want to make note, even though it says 3 lot max, but you can enter 5 positions of 3 lots. Okay, not just one lot, one position that has 3 lots. And then they're giving a lot of people the opportunity to get some money. Okay, I'll be damned if I don't get it and when it bracket a night challenge. But like I said, I'm aiming for that second place or first place. I'm good with that. I am good with that, and we have a whole month to make some profits. All right. Thank you guys. Stay blessed. Put everything to the test. Don't you stress, because you're the best. All right, let me stop.